guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Me, Myself and Mmmmitchell palette collabed with Beauty Bay. I bought this palette on another video that I have already uploaded. I will put it up in the video here now. Just press the thing up there. I was basically shopping for makeup online and I found this palette. I'd never seen it before. I thought it was really colourful. I was looking for a colourful palette and it looks like this inside. So it definitely drew me to it and I bought it, so here we are, and I thought I'd do a little review of it today to see if it's blendable, pigmented, worth the money. So if you want to find that out and see how I created this makeup look today, then please carry on watching and enjoy the video. So I'm looking a bit weird right now, but it's because I've just done my brows and set my eyes with the P. Louise Zero Rumor base, which is literally a white, because basically I've just tried filming this and I was doing like a purple look and it just did not go okay, and I wiped it off, and so this one is a little bit more purple than this one because it's dyed my skin, so that's brilliant. But we're going to start fresh. We're going to be trying the Mmmmitchell and Beauty Bay palette. I've been like in and out as to like what look to create because I really don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me at the minute, but I just can't think of any eye looks to create. I can think of loads for like my face and stuff, like creative looks for Instagram, but for like a creative eye look, I've just not got it right now. So I'm gonna try out something new. So I'm gonna just go along as I can, basically. I'm just making it up as I go along. But I'm gonna go in with Mardi first, which is this like navy green kind of colour, which is more like a khaki, I guess. And I've just put my nail in one of the shades and basically ruined it, so that's good. So we're going to go in with this like khaki green and just put it on the outer corner of my eye. I don't usually work with darker colours like this, so it'd be interesting to see how it works. It's not blending very well, why is that? So I think the main thing for this is just blend. Like, you've got to seriously put some blendage in. So I'm going to just use a few, I've got a few different brushes here. They're a little bit wet because I have just cleaned them. That might be why it's not blending as nice, but I'm just going to try and blend this out as nicely as possible. I'm just going to be blending on the outer V of my eye, as you can see. So just on the outer area because I really want to wing this out a little bit. But I wanted it to be a lot darker than what it is, so let's add some more product here. It's a really pretty shade, this one. I really like it. I think it's nice. It's a nice colour and you don't get many like khaki greens in palettes really, so it's nice. So that's the outer V done. I think I'm going to do one eye on camera, one eye off camera, else we're going to be here for a serious long time. So now I'm going to go in with Moody Mitch, which is this. You can see where I've dug my nail in by accident, which is this dark blue, and like kind of build it on top of that. And I'm doing my eyes first just because I'm doing darker colours and I don't know, because I haven't used this palette before, I don't know what the fallout's going to be like, so yeah. It's best to do your eyes first if you're not sure if the fallout's going to be bad or not, because if there is a lot of fallout then it's going to go all over your foundation and kind of ruin your makeup, so yeah. I'm just blending that out and I've kind of took it a bit too high up here. I'm going to just go back in with this blending brush here. Blend that out. I always try and use like a semi-clean brush, a cleaner brush anyway, not put product on it and just blend out the edges because it makes blending so much easier when you've got a clean brush. Because if you've got a bit of product on your brush, then it just kind of smudges it in together rather than blending it out. So Motto is here, which is like this burgundy kind of shade. And I'm going to try and pop this up here. Just blending that in with the blue and the green. So I find this purple is very hard to work with. I don't know if it's just me or not. Hi guys, so I am back. I just had to pop out a second because my camera very kindly died on me while I was in the middle of this lilac. So I've just played a bit of Animal Crossing while it was charging. So I am now back and I'm going to continue this look. So we're working on this eye, so we've blended it out pretty much the best that we can at the moment. Blended the purple with the blue and the green. So now, let me just add a little bit more purple, I think, to the middle, just to blend it out a little bit. I really like this shade so far. I think the blue and the green actually look really nice together. And now I think I'm going to go in with maybe a brighter colour, not too bright though. Maybe I'm thinking something like Man-Made or Muse. Muse is like a lighter kind of burgundy colour. Oh no, that's Mini. So maybe I'll go in with Mini. I think so. Let's give it a go and see how it looks. It's like a lighter burgundy, and I might just pop on some brighter red on top of that after, because that'll blend in quite nicely with the purple. I think that looks nice actually. It goes well with the colours that I'm going for. They're all kind of darker colours, which I never actually work with. I never really do darker colours, so it's nice to have a bit of a change. And I think I'm going to add a bit of like a lighter colour as well on that. So maybe, I think I am just going to go in with this one, which is Mad. And I'm just going to pop that red on top of that colour here. More on the inner corner like that. And blend that in. So now we've done that, I'm going to cut the crease because I really want to try one of the colours in this palette, which is this one, which is Marine. It's like a really nice kind of iridescent-y shimmer, and it looks really pretty, so I want to try that today. So I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base, which I already set my eyes with here, which is the Rumor 0. And I'm just going to use that to cut the crease basically. I have hooded eyes, so I am going to go a bit higher than my actual crease, so you can actually see it nice when I like blink or close my eyes. So I'm not cutting it all the way because I do want to still see this kind of blue and green colour still peep through on the outer corner. So I'm going to like take it out quite far, and then I'm going to blend that colour back into it. That's the crease cut, which is actually not too bad. I'm going to go in with that shade now, I think, and just pack that on and just see how it's looking. I don't really know what to expect, to be honest, so I'm quite excited to see if it's any good. So I'm just packing this on with my finger, but it's very difficult when you've got long nails. Spraying it with the Glass Glow Fix from Makeup Revolution. And if you wet your brush, basically, it will just, you know, give the colour a bit more pigment when packing it on your eyes. It's going on my skin quite like cracky. If you can see, it's like cracking a little bit. I don't know if that's the base underneath or the product, but that is not looking good, which is kind of annoying. Now that the crease is cut like this and we've added the product, I'm just going to go back in with that green that we went in with before, which was Mardi, and just pack it on a little bit more just so you can see it. And I'm going to go in with the blue as well, which is Moody Mitch, and just pop it on here. You see, so I'm adding it back onto where I've cut the crease, just on the end, so that it can blend nicely onto it. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of fallout here, so this is why I don't do my foundation first, so that you can pick up any fallout on the way. Now I'm going to be a bit brave and I want to try this one here, which is Shmoney, and I want to try it on the bottom lash line just because it's really bright, and we haven't tried like a bright shade from this collection yet, from this palette. So let's go in with this brush here, and we're going to go in with this shade and just pack it under my eyes. Oh wow, that is blue. That is it's not blue, it's green. That is bright, but I like it. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and I shall be back to put on some lashes and do the face and see what the final look looks like, and then we can chat about the palette and how that really worked, if I'm a fan, if I recommend it, and so on. So see you in a sec. We're back with both eyes on, finally. Not bad. This shimmer turned out way better than this one. Don't know what I did there, but this one looks so pretty. That one just looks no, but that one, I really like that shimmer, so it's all worked out good in the end. I'm going to use these. I haven't used these yet. I got sent them today, actually, the Ardell ones with Ellis Atlantis. He won Glow Up on Netflix. If you haven't watched it, you definitely need to watch it because it's actually really good. I'll link down below where you can get these. They're press-on. These are press-on nails because obviously we can't go out at the minute and get acrylics. So I've got press-on nails, and I will put a link down below where you can get them because I love them. And you just literally message them on Instagram. They'll custom like shape them for you so that they fit your nails, so you don't need to do any filing yourself. And they'll also do whatever nails you want. So you just send them the design and they'll just do it for you. I like these lashes. I think these are going to be cute. But yeah, Ardell sent me these today, and I was well excited when I seen that it's with Alice, because I literally loved Glow Up. If you watched it, comment down below and let me know what you think, because I was obsessed with it. And I think there's a series 2 just come out, I think it's series 2, but I still need to watch it. But because it's coming out slowly on Netflix, it's not like all out yet. I'm just waiting for it all to be out. Oh, not Netflix, BBC iPlayer, I think I'll watch it on. I was thinking, I said it to him just now, about him doing a voiceover, because I love watching Boyfriend Does My Voiceover videos, and I think it'll be really fun to record because he's a very funny guy, if I do say so, and I think it'll be funny. So let me know in the comments as well if you think I should do that, if you get to this part of the video, because I think that'll be quite fun. So the glue on the lashes are just drying, so I'm going to do some mascara. So I'm using this Essence Lash Princess. This is honestly so good. They sent this to me the other day, and I know Essence is a really quite like very affordable brand. All their products are very cheap, and I thought it would be I didn't think it would be as good as it is. It's actually really, really nice. So now that the eyes are fully done, I'm going to do my face makeup off camera, just because I feel like sometimes it's a bit better. I'm doing a review on the palette, so I've done, you know, eye look with the palette, and now I want to do my face off camera, and then I'll come back and talk to you about the palette a bit more and let you know my thoughts, if I recommend it, so on. So shall see you in a sec again. So the face is finally done. We're looking a little better than before. So the eyes are finally done. I'm actually in love with this look now that it's all done. I was a bit like, through the process, but you got to trust the process, because here we are. And I don't know if anyone else likes it, but I like it. I like the darker colours just because I never really use dark colours, so it's really different for me to do that. But I really like how it turned out. So let's go on to the palette and just talk about it. So here is the palette. I love it. So we've got, so it's like multicoloured with, I guess, I'm sure if you look into it properly and you know a lot more about him, you would see that a lot of this represents him, I assume. But I know that the B here is the Manchester B, so that's basically all I really know about him. That he's from Manchester, and there's lots of different pictures on this side as well, so I have no idea, but I'm sure it's very sentimental to him, which is really nice. It's good to do a palette that's all about you, basically. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It's got the mirror inside, a double-ended mirror, which is really good, so it's very good for travelling for sure. And this is the actual palette. So you've got lots of brights on this side and more darker shades on this side, and honestly the main thing that made me want to buy this palette is because you get so much inspiration just from looking at it. There's so many different colours, and I mean I could create like 100 different looks with this palette. There's lots of different shimmers, so here you got some shimmers, you've got a shimmer here, here and here and there, I think. So there's lots of different shimmers in the palette, which is nice because you can definitely make a look from it. I definitely want to try this one as more of like maybe a galaxy kind of look, and here you can do this Michelle as like a Barbie kind of look with the really like hot pink shimmer, which isn't in many palettes. So you know, it's very versatile. You've got a neon colour here, you've got a bright colour here, you've got a nice kind of like mustard yellow, which you don't seem to get too much either, a nice like peachy colour, so you've kind of got a bit of everything, which I think maybe is the main reason I like this palette, is because you get so much inspiration from looking at it, and sometimes it's very hard when you look at a palette to just get inspiration of a look, but it's good that you can look at this and kind of think, I can do a lot here. So I've done kind of like a rainbow-ish eye. I've tried the like brighter green on the bottom of my eye, and here on the outer corner I've done darker to kind of lighter on the inside. I think it worked out really well in the end. Definitely the colours are so pigmented, all of them. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below and let me know if you've used this palette, what looks you've created. Maybe tag me in your Instagram pictures just so I can see what makeup looks you've created with this palette. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon for notifications for when I upload future videos, and I shall see you in my next one.